Hey, it's Mishi here. Who doesn't love a freshly baked homemade pizza? Today, I'll show you how to make a crispy, cheesy, and absolutely delicious pizza at home better than takeout. Let's get started. For a soft and fluffy pizza base, we need 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 tsp yeast, tsp salt, tsp sugar, 1 tsp olive oil, and cup warm water. Mix everything together and knead the dough for about 5 minutes until smooth. Cover and let it rise for an hour until it doubles in size. For a rich and flavorful pizza sauce, blend together 2 fresh tomatoes, 1 garlic clove, tsp oregano, tsp salt, tsp black pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. Cook this mixture for 5-7 minutes until thick. Trust me, this homemade sauce makes all the difference. Time to roll out our dough. Make it as thin or thick as you like. Now, spread a generous amount of our homemade sauce. Next, add plenty of mozzarella cheese and your favorite toppings: pepperoni, veggies, or even extra cheese. Now, let's bake it to perfection, baking 12 to 15 minutes until golden, crispy, and bubbly. Look at that gooey cheese. Just perfect. There you have it, your homemade, crispy, cheesy, and absolutely delicious pizza. Try this recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and tasty recipes. See you in the next video.